Hi there. Let's take a look at Hedera chart. We've covered the weekly Wyckoff structure. Check out the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. From a Wyckoff perspective, HBAR is currently along the selling climax stage, what I also call the panic over period, in transition to the automatic rally, which is the next stage we hope to see. Okay, sooner than later. Okay, I believe that's most of the people's wish. But having said that, even with today's price surge across the board for majority of the tokens, be cautious to focus on the volume. The weekly volume still remains very low. All right, if that volume doesn't pick up, be careful. This kind of surge may be the whale's tactic of selling the news as well as killing the people that are like shorting the market. Okay, their goal is to liquidate those people, and then they let the market free fall again. That's one of the possibility. Okay, so be cautious. Even if you're riding the tide, always do your risk management. So the key support and key resistance. Remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. The most important weekly support level is still the 0.06. It has been in this particular range for over 2 months, including this week. And the major resistance remains 0.077. So in the past few sessions, you heard me talking about these two lines again and again, and it hasn't changed yet. Okay, so big picture set. Now let's go to the micro. Today's good news, unexpected good news by the US Fed definitely has pushed this surge even higher than before or than expected by most people. We talk about this when we get closer and closer to the 20th. There is a chance of a 2C's decision coming in. The first C is continuation of this short-term downtrend. The second C is change of trend, which the market, given that fake news, has chosen the latter choice. And it go past two other resistances in one go. This short-term resistance of 0.068, as well as the previous uptrend support. Okay, if the bulls manage to defend this uptrend support line, they can ride the same line all the way to challenge the blue key level of 0.077. But whether it is that easy, we don't know yet. And also, why it is pausing right at this point, without going even further, like what it did in late July. If we draw a line over here, around 0.07, let's make it clearer so you have a better reference. You can say 0.071 or just 0.07. Let's make it a little bit higher. 715. Okay, that's roughly it. So what I want to show you is this period from end of June to beginning of July. You see these candlesticks either finding support and later turned resistance. Resistance over here. Same resistance during beginning of August, just 2 weeks ago. So that's why it is taking a pause at this point without going further up. How about in the older history? There were also some references, but the near-term references take more weight. Okay, I'll take reference of the previous resistance or very near-term resistances as reference, and that's probably how a lot of traders in the market is doing as well. So I just want to quickly adjust this so it shows up on the screen that you are seeing. Okay, remember 0.07, this is the first resistance this current uptrend has to break before it can ride this line to challenge the blue key level. And what's the next resistance after 0.07? There's another one around here. Remember, these are weaker resistances or weaker support compared to these solid lines, but they do exist. So whenever the price climbs to these kind of levels, you will see they kind of take a pause and think, okay, whether we are really going to do it that way, or are they going to take a second thought? Okay, so this is around 0.735 after the 0.715, a slightly higher level, not too much. All right, and of course, after drawing these two lines, we have new indicated dates. Here, that's pointing to August 25th. And then another one, September 6th. What are those? Again, the 2C's decision point. Either it continues with the uptrend in this case, or it gets rejected and breaks the uptrend support line. Okay, either case, or whatever option that is, it is going to break one line, and there's no third option. All right, so there's still a couple of more days for it to trade within this triangle, even if the bulls aren't gaining sufficient momentum to push through the line tomorrow. So there's still time, but it's going to be before our next session. All right, because when we come back, this is over. So let's see. Let me know in the comment, what do you think next week when we come back? Is the price already past 0.0715, heading to challenge 0.0735, or it is going to drop through the previous uptrend support and comes back to test this support line of 0.068? Okay, and remember, you can see this video earlier being a channel member. So join the other channel members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.